Have you ever tried without scrolling your phone? In every bite, there is a flavor, there is an aroma, gratitude, all waiting to be felt. Your mom's sambar or your friend's lunchbox? But where are you? How are you eating? Scrolling endlessly, missing the taste, missing the moment? Just try it once. Sit in silence, chew slowly, feel how the food becomes life within you. When you are truly with your food, it becomes meditation. As Osho said, even eating can become prayer if it is done in complete awareness. So, next time when you eat the food, it is not just a meal, it will be a miracle in you. Thank you.